Oh yes, I'm a daydreamer. I like to dream all I can. I'm a daydreamer. Oh yes, I am. But when the lights get dim and you just can't see, just come along, friend, and dream with me and be a daydreamer. Be happy like me. When you're working like a dog and all the walls keep on closing in, and the days all run together and you don't even have a weekend, well, just take a little break and get your mind at ease. You can take a little trip anytime you please when you're a daydreamer. Whoa, a daydreamer. Play it down.